I've got plenty of money with this strategy and it's kind of a hidden gem, but in fact it is not so complicated, you can do it as well. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is cpagrip.com and this is gonna make us money. There is a lot of money on this website and not a lot of people know about this. I don't know how is that the case because this is so much profitable. This is so much profitable, I swear to you guys, I made a lot of money with this one and I suggest that everyone should do this. And of course, I'm gonna show you this traffic source, this bot for making a website, so you can take full advantage of this strategy, which is really profitable. As you can see, you can come here and you can create certain content lockers, URL and file lockers, video lockers, offer walls, and virtual currency as well, guys. What I like about this website is that they've got fast payments, and that's the most important thing, guys. I want you to come here and just come and click on this button, register. After that, you will just have to complete this simple information about yourself, such as first name, last name, publisher type, and that sort of stuff. But the most important thing here is that you choose this publisher type and you click on this one. This is GPT and it stands for Get Paid To. So those are the kind of offers that you're going to create on this website. And I'm going to show you everything in detail. Just make sure you get this done. Register now and I'll see you on the inside. Now, once you get inside, you will have this dashboard in front of you. And you can see here in this chat window that there are also these earning estimations of certain people on this website. So this Felicity has earned $15,000 all time with 8,000 leads. Now, you're going to do this as well, but you need these leads and I'm going to show you how you can get it. For start, you're just going to be like this Mvito guy and he has earned $45 all time with 199 leads, and that's for start. And you can as well talk to these people. You can try and ask for some advice here as well, but you will be all right by just following this video and doing the exact same thing that I'm doing right now, guys. So this is CPA Grip. This is gonna get you paid, and if you click here on offer tools and click on my offers, you will here see that there are certain offers which are gonna get you paid. So for example, if you do this one, this $1,000 PayPal gift card, and people come and just submit their email, because this is, as you can see, email zip submit. Email zip submit means that certain people will come on this link and they will just enter their email address and you're gonna get $2.5. Now that might not seem like much money, but guys, they only need to enter their email. They don't have to pay for anything, they don't have to buy anything, order anything, ship something. No, they just have to enter their email address in it, and that's why conversion rates are so high, guys. So basically, whenever someone comes on this link, you're gonna get $2.5, or for this one you will get $2.05. That's an amazing offer, guys, because this is so easy. Whenever someone comes, he's gonna be like, oh, I can win like $750. Let me just enter in my email address in here and you're gonna get a conversion. You're gonna get this $2. That's why it is called CPA Grip. It means cost per action, and that action is just entering their email address into the box. That's how easy it is. But of course, you will need a bit of traffic here, and I'm gonna show you how you can make this all look nice and well, and how you're gonna get that traffic so people will actually convert, enter their email address, and grab this PayPal gift card. So for example, let's use this one for the sake of this video. We're gonna use this one. You can just copy this link into your clipboard for now, and we are gonna move on to the next step. So now we're gonna make a landing page for our link. So we wanna look nice, so people will come and see, oh, what a nice looking page. Let me actually click on this. So when you get on breezy.io, so remember that site, this is a landing page builder and it's free. Click on get started now, it's free, and of course everything will be free, guys. Everything is gonna be free. you can see that it is $0 for you. Nothing is gonna be paid. Download for free, and that's it. The fact is, you don't even have to download it. You can use it straight from the browser. Just click on login once you make yourself a new account, and that's it. Now, once you get inside, you will just create your new project. Just click on that and just click on this one, website and landing page. Click on create button here, and that's gonna lead you to a whole nother perspective, guys. Project one is here. Click on edit project, and that's gonna be it. For start, you're just gonna have to select a template. So you're just gonna click on this start building your page, and now you have all these templates. Here you can select free ones. And now all of these are free, and I suggest that you take something which already has two buttons on it. So for example, this one has two buttons on it, and you can see that there is a picture on this side which you can change, and of course there is text and two buttons which we need. So now we just have to edit this properly. So you can change this picture here, guys. You can just click on this button over here, and you can just now click on this image. You can type on X here so that it's gonna go, and now you're just gonna upload your own picture here. Now what you have to do is you have to go on Google and type in PayPal gift card, so we can search for some picture which is like PayPal gift card, and here it is, $750, just what we need, guys. You'll just download this picture and you will go back to Brizzy.io and upload it here, and here it is. This is your picture. You can just zoom it in, you can zoom it out. You need this for this method to work, guys. This is it. This is what we need. $700 PayPal gift card. Picture is maybe too big for this example, but it doesn't matter. You will find which one fits. And now here you just have to edit this text here. You will simply go back to CPA Grip, grab this title here, go back, and you will paste it in here. So you are making this call to action for your people so you can get those conversions. People will just come and they will enter their email address. Here you can type some information that you find here, and now you just have to enter these buttons. So if you click on this button, you can just change the text, for example. So for now, you can just type in, for example, mobile. You can make this for mobile, and for this one here, you can write something like desktop. So we have like two options here, and now if you click on this, you will change the link on which it goes. So you will just type your link here, and that's where this link comes in, guys. This is, as you can see, this offer is only allowed on mobile devices. You will just copy this one, copy it into your clipboard, go back to Brizzy and this mobile, paste it in here, and it's done, guys. It's done. It's really, really easy to do, guys. You just mess around with this website, make it as you go, and it's gonna be great. People will come and they will enter in their email address, and you're gonna get paid $2 for each one of those. And now what I would suggest is that you go on Twitter and you go and share that website, guys. You will share that website with a lot of people. You will just save this draft, and here, if you click here, you can go and see a preview. Just let me find it. You can see that you can see how it looks on mobile as well. So it's a very, very nice page. So you can go and click here on preview, copy the link, and share it on Twitter, where it's gonna get a lot of traffic, guys. Now go out there, take this action, and I'll catch you later.